Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. You already know what we're doing if you're not on our Instagram or anything. We're converting this van. It's our first ever time we've converted a van or done anything like this. So we're very new to it.
Never done anything like this before.
So we don't actually know what we're doing. We're just going to learn as we go along. So if that's something you're interested in watching, or if you want to see how it turns out in the end, it might help you if we do well, then come and follow our journey. So today I'm going to try and work on what design I want to do. So to do that, the best way that I've found might help is to build all the furniture out of cardboard, and then to size, and then we can get a feel of whether there's enough room, and if anything needs to change around, which design might be the best. So I've got several designs, so I've wrote them all down so that I've got an idea of what I need to try as I go along. I've got loads of cardboard and scissors, a tape measure, some tape. So that's what we're going to do today.
So when it came to the design for the van, as we mentioned before, we actually was looking for a long wheelbase, high top, like crafter style panel van for a long time before we ended up with this one. So when I saw this one, I really just wanted the same design that I wanted in that, but on a smaller scale, which I'm not really sure if anyone else has really done it this way in this type of van. So doing the cardboard thing really helped us get a vision for how it was all going to fit in a smaller van and what we could and couldn't have. So the idea around it was to have a double bed, a fixed bed. We didn't want to have one that we had to make up every time. And then we wanted lots of storage underneath. So we wanted to make that bed quite high up so we could have lots of storage underneath. We also wanted a sink, which was non-negotiable. We did want a sink in there and somewhere to cook. And then we also wanted to have a little seating area as well, with like some sort of table to sit at to eat. So we wanted a lot in a small van. So doing this helped us get a feel for the space. And yeah, it looks cozy. There's a lot of furniture in there, but it's doable.
Lucinda had a vision of the van and what it looked like in her head, but I just couldn't picture it. So when we built it in cardboard, it really helped me visualise Lucinda's design.
Well, one of many, many designs.
I've had lots of playing around with what goes best where, and I've changed it around a few times. But I think that we're happy with what we've got so far. So we've got, I'll tell you what we've got and then I'll show you around a bit on the video. So we've got our kitchen units down this side with the twin sliding doors. That means that door will also open and you can cook from the outside or the inside. And this one we've got a seating unit that doesn't go right past the door so that you can get in and out on this side. We'll be having the control panel on here. We're hoping to build, it'll be a bit smaller than what it looks now, but some upper cupboards for some extra storage up there. And then we've got the bed, which is a 4 foot by 5 foot 5 bed. So that's perfect for me. We're hoping that Adam's going to be okay with that. We're going to have the fridge under the bed here. And then we're going to have a sink at this end of the kitchen unit, we think. And then we've got all this surface space and also what you can do with the bedside table on that side. So that's what we've planned so far after a full day of moving it around a bit and stuff like that. We've also got this seating unit where we can have our porta potty underneath there for a toilet as well. So yeah, that's hopefully the plan. We'll keep you updated, and if anything changes, we'll show you again.
Thanks for watching. If you are planning on doing a van build, I do recommend you do this in cardboard to really help you visualise and get the space for your design. We played around with a few different designs, so you'll have to come back to find out which one we went for.
So we'll see you on episode 3.
Bye!